politician is Mr. K. Kamarajar. K. Kamarajar was born on July 15, 1903 in Virudhunagar, a state in Tamil Nadu. His father name was Kumarasamy while his mother name was Rohani. Kamarajar was an Indian independence activist and politician. He served as the Chief Minister of Madras from 13th April 1954 to 2nd October 1963. He also served as the President of Indian National Congress between 1963 to 1964. Twice he played a leading role in choosing the Prime Minister of India. He was honored with Indian Civilian Award, the Bharat Ratna, in 1976. As the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, he opened nearly 6,000 schools and introduced midday meal scheme. He died at the age of 72 in his sleep due to the heart attack. Thank you.